Welcome! Do you find yourself typing the same email responses over and over again? Whether it's a weekly report, a standard reply to inquiries, or just a recurring meeting invite, rewriting the same text is a massive waste of time. Today, I'm going to show you how to automate that process using Gmail's built-in templates feature. It takes about 60 seconds to set up, and it will save you hours in the long run. First, we have to actually turn the feature on because Gmail keeps it hidden by default. Go to your Gmail inbox. In the top right corner, click the gear icon to open your settings and then select See All Settings. Once you're in the main settings menu, look for the tab labeled Advanced. Click that. You'll see a list of options. Find Templates and switch the button from Disable to Enable. Then, and this is crucial, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Gmail might refresh to apply the new setting. Now that it's active, let's create your first template. Click Compose to start a new email. Delete your email signature for a moment. If you leave it in, Gmail will save it as part of the template, and when you use it later, you'll end up with two signatures stacked on top of each other. So clear the draft completely. Type out the subject line and the body of the email exactly how you want it to appear. Once you're happy with the text, go to the bottom right corner of the Compose window and click the three little dots for More Options. Hover over Templates, then hover over Save Draft as Template, and finally click Save as New Template. Give it a clear name, like Monthly Report or New Client Welcome, and hit Save. Now let's see it in action. Open a fresh Compose window. Go back to those three dots in the bottom corner, go to Templates, and under the Insert Template list, click the one you just made. Boom! The subject line and the body text appear instantly. Now you can just add your recipient, make any small personalized tweaks if you need to, and hit Send. If you ever need to update that template, say the monthly report format changes, just repeat the process. Compose the new version, go to Save Draft as Template, but instead of creating a new one, click the name of the existing template to overwrite it. And that's it. Stop retyping the same emails and start using templates. Thanks for watching.